Hello, and welcome to the Product Tech Lab. We're excited to have you here and look forward to helping you bring your product ideas to life. We are providing the solution, Magical Cloud Solution, the invisible shield of protection, cybersecurity. Virtualize like a pro with Producttechlab. Application support. Call to backup infrastructure. AB and training facility.
Technical innovation and idea. Need more scoop on our tech-savvy services? Drop us a line at support@producttechlab.com or zip over to our website https://www.producttechlab.com. Pust. We're also big shots on YouTube. Find us at youtube.com/@producttechlab and let's be friends. Thank you from Producttechlab, and more detail please mail us.
My friends, welcome back to Producttechlab. This is showing for the Kubernets chapter. So earlier chapter is showing like Kubernets introduction. So this thing is for the Kubernets dashboard. This dashboard is basically not in much familiar with the production environment. Production environment they are using like CLI. But we need to understand purpose we have required to the production Kubernets dashboard. Okay, so this dashboard is basically looking like this. Okay, if I open the CLI, this is my master node. Okay, if I do the clear, okay, so kubectl get all -a DAS Kubernets dashboard. Okay, -o date. Just a minute, I need to string. Okay, command is not required to anything that command is if you not required, so command is required, but in that case if you not remember the command, so no worries, you can check over the history, or you can note it down in any PDF, any doc file and note file. Okay, but we need to understand the logic. Okay, logic is most important about the part. Okay, so if we understand the dashboard, so this is my dashboard implemented in my environment. Already it was implemented. I will show you later how to implement a dashboard, but just I introduce the Kubernetes dashboard. It's looking like, okay, so see, there is a dashboard we have to create in one pod. Okay, so this pod has been created. So in this dashboard already I have created, okay, few things I need to understand. Okay, this is my pod dashboard already created. Okay, and this is my runtime. Okay, 5 hours. Okay, this is my IP address. This is in worker node 1 and worker node 2. Both we have to implement it. Okay, and service we have to implement it. Cluster IP, this is the IP. See, I already told you this IP address is not in my lab environment. Already it's get from Calico. Okay, just remember this thing, Calico system. This is multiple things is there, I'll show you later, but as of now just remember Calico system. Okay, this is my public IP address, which is external IP address. Where can I get the access? Okay, this is the port number, external port number. So if I put HTTPS, because S is required because of 443, and put this IP address 192.168.56.231, so I can get the access. But I have my DNS server, so this is already registered. Okay, and so that's why we can directly access from the domain name. Okay, so how I login, that means how I do the login in DNS. So looking like this. Okay, https Kubernets dashboard home lab.local. This is my token. Okay, so if we have required for the token, so we can put this command. So that is the command kubectl cube system create token Kubernets is -sa hyphen duration equal to 8760h. Okay, so 8760h means this is the second. Okay, we need to mention, and this is the token, and just copy and alt tab and just control V. Okay, now I have logged in. Okay, this is the default namespace. Okay, I just understand what is the component we can see in the dashboard. Okay, this is the namespace. Okay, this is the basically using for the namespace. Okay, and this is few of this is you can see for the your pods, how many pods are running over this. Okay, this is 6 running pods. This is pods information. Okay, this is the all the tab. Okay, and this is the cron job is there, demo sets. Okay, deployment jobs. Okay, all the information is there. Okay, so if we click on the any kind of tab like best is services. Okay, so if you click the services, so you can see the how many services is there. Okay, so there is a multiple service. This is a cluster IP. Okay, this is a cluster IP, all the cluster IP. This is the external IP address. Okay, external IP address. So the external IP address, how to access, this is the external port. Okay, so suppose if I put if I cannot configure any external IP address, so what will be happen? So what will this happen is nothing else. This is the all our services created over the pod, right? Pod has created any of the worker. I have 2 worker node. Okay, worker 1, worker 2. So worker 1 IP address is there, worker 2 IP address is there. So where is the application? Suppose this application. Okay, suppose this XYZ application. This application over the pod is creating any of this worker, any of this worker. So worker has 1 IP address, right? This IP address associated this port. Okay, this port, this is the dynamic port. You can see this is the high range port they are using. Okay, high range port, so you can get the access. But this is very difficult. That's why this is the external IP address you have registered, and this IP service has been registered over this IP address, and this IP address registered with the domain, so you can easily open these things. So this is all the application. If you tested any of this, so you can see, suppose I want to access this one. Okay, my lab. Okay, what will it look like? It is 234 is the IP address. Okay, if I put http 192.168.56.234. Okay, my lab Kubernets is open. Okay, another application is there called web service. If I open it 230, say this is also will be open about it. Or if I try this one, see shortcut. This is my my one of the colleague. Okay, we are working together, but this is we are using that. This is another application. Okay, so there is 2 application I open. One for the MyLab Kubernets, another for this this Niladri. Okay, and show the Ghost Lab. If I see it, so 232. If I click show the Ghost Lab, so see there is multiple application is there. They are running. Okay, in the Kubernetes cluster, and we can access this server from outside. Okay, so this is the main functionality of Kubernetes. So that's why I'm showing the Kubernetes dashboard. This is the dashboard related things. I'll be how to deploy and all those things I will relate to later. But as of now, not required because this is not production environment. It is required dashboard. Okay, this is completely using for CLI. But dashboard, why are you using dashboard? Because for the understanding purpose, I will be used for the dashboard and for your understanding purpose. Okay, so how this looks like they installed and all those things. So that's all, my friends. So thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. And